Hello everyone and welcome to Skayon tutorials. You have probably seen on YouTube those fancy gaming thumbnails they make, and you probably ask yourself, how are they making them, especially the borders around the pictures. So today we're going to learn how to make the same borders and make the picture 10 times more attractive. So we need to select the rectangle tool, which is here, and make sure the fill and the stroke color are white, and you will see why. Make sure to start from edge to edge, like I do now, and you will see everything is gonna be white. We go there and make sure to rasterize the layer. Now make another layer and change the color to black. And start from here somewhere, so you make like a stroke or a border, as you want to call it, around the picture. Now go right click and rasterize this as well. Now select both of those rectangles by holding Ctrl key and right click merge layers. Now you go and select the magic wand tool and press on the black color and press delete on your keyboard. So now we have removed the black color and we see the picture now, but not entirely. So go select and deselect the selected area, and now we go and in the blending options here press overlay. And it's looking really nice, but it's not over. You go on blending options, drop shadow, and adjust as you want. Or you can go and put inner shadow, which is going to do even more stuff to make the picture even nicer. So this is how the border you are seeing mostly on YouTube is made. So that was it for this video. I hope it was very helpful for you. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe and share this video, and we will see you in the next one.